So in preparation for the Honda CBR 600 F3 1996 pre-starting, I wanted to see if the electrics would work. So I hooked up a jumper cables to my Ford Ranger, negative to negative terminal, red positive to positive terminal, all the way down to red jumper cable to positive cable, and grounded the negative cable to the frame. I don't have a battery for the bike yet, so that's the reason why I've done it this way. And so before I go out and buy a battery, I just said, well, I just want to see if the electrical works. So here goes nothing. Let's see here. Wow, look at that. And we have lights. Pretty cool. 12 years of not having electricity running through this thing here. So, looks like I'm good so far. I'm going to test the high beam. Yep, high beam works. And let's see here. Let's try some turn signals. Yep. Left turn signal working. Left turn signal. Cool. Let's try the right turn signal. Yep, over there you might be able to see it blinking, but it is working from my end. And with a slow pan, we got it there as well. Awesome. Well, pretty good. Pretty good. And yeah, so anyway, I got lights. And I'll check the rear brakes another time. But anyway, I'm content with what I got here. And, well, pretty cool, pretty cool. Well, so with tomorrow being, I'm gonna go ahead and put some fuel in the newly repaired fuel tank, and we'll go ahead and put her on the bike, and we'll see if she starts. And I'll probably do a pre-test of all the gears on its rear stand and see how that works, see if I have gears, and then if that's the case, I'll go ahead and get a battery for it and run around the neighborhood. But first things first. Anyway, I got lights and I got everything else, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. Alright guys, well, have a good night, be safe out there, safe riding, and we're getting one day closer.